We're heading now to downtown, guys. Morris?
Yeah, this is Morris, babe. Don't worry, it's just up here. I just thought it was to the right. Yes, I mean, there are restaurants here. There's Cali Thai. There's a few other places. There must be a few places up the street.
Video to video. So, andito na po kami. Namit ko na yung friends ko. Dito kami sa Bota Ramen. This is my first time. And it's your second time here. Yeah, it's nice place. Take out lang kami. It's nice. See you later, guys. Bye for now. Kuhanan kita. Nice place, no? Ganda. Tingnan mo yung
mga dalawang semana, 2 weeks na. Eh, simula nun kasi every Saturday or Sunday na kami.
Eh, buti pa nga kayo every Saturday, Sunday. Ay, kami bihira.
Paano? Hindi mo yan na-mention nung nakaraan.
Siyempre, naya ako, no? Dito tayo sa upuan. Oh, okay.
Andito kami yun sa park, sa downtown. Kumakain ng ramen. Yan, hello! Happy Friday!
Take out lang, guys, kasi hindi kami pwede sa dine-in. So, ito ang bagsak namin sa park.
Yeah!
It's okay.
It's okay to be okay.
It's okay not to be okay. Oh my God. That's our favorite Korean movie. So, ayan, guys. As you can see, nasa park kami. Kain kami ng ramen.
Yay!
So,
Anong ginagawa mo dyan, te?
binubuksan ko yung sauce ng ramen.
Okay.
It's hot. Oh my
What do you
God.
guys? Is that a spicy one?
No, it's not. It's
Okay.
mild. Whoa. That's a lot. And there you go.
Look at that.
This is my first time. My first time to eat ramen.
Asin?
Eating at the park.
Ow!
Mahangin. We're back! Tapos na kami kumain. Tonsat. Ngayon, ang problema namin, wala kaming water. Oh my goodness. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. So, tayo na tayo. Para yung bill eh.
Miss! Taga saan ka? Taga saan?
Sasayaw ba ako talaga?
Taga saan ka nga?
Kaya ko na sumayaw, oy! Dito daw, be.
Taga saan ka, Miss?
From Makati!
Toot, toot, toot. Video, may picture. Ayan.
Oh, nagsilap. Nagsilap.
Pauwi na kami.
Nakaano tayo? Nakamas?
Ayan, nakauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami.
Maglakad lang kami. Wala kaming pera.
Pera ba? Bumili ng ramen.
Wala kaming pera. Pambayad sa bus. Wala din kaming car.
Ay, mahal kaya ang bus monthly, ha?
Kaya,
4,000 na please.
kaya maglakad lang kami, guys.
Many minutes later.
So yan, guys. Dito na ako sa amin.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.